You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast, where we share real stories and expert guidance to make your international move feel effortless. Today, we're highlighting a recent relocation success story that involved a high-ranking government official relocating from Washington, D.C. to Dubai on diplomatic assignment. This client needed discretion, speed, and security. The assignment had been confirmed last minute, and his family had just 30 days to vacate their home, ship their household belongings safely to the UAE. With one call to SDC, we put a plan into motion. First, packing and documentation for all household goods. Our professional packing team arrived on site with internationally approved materials, carefully wrapping each item from antique furniture to fragile family heirlooms. We created a detailed, itemized inventory which not only streamlined custom clearance, but also supported full value insurance coverage. Special attention was given to artwork, electronics, and sensitive items with custom crating solutions for anything requiring extra protection. Door-to-door delivery in Dubai, including custom clearance through diplomatic channels as part of the Diplomat's assignment, specific paperwork and protocol needed to be followed to ensure the shipment cleared customs without delay. Our destination agents, familiar with UAE diplomatic procedures, coordinated directly with the relevant embassy staff, enabling a seamless handoff from port to villa. The family didn't need to worry about inspections, port delays, or red tape. Their belongings cleared within 4 to 8 hours of vessel arrival, a rare speed in international moves. White glove unpacking service at their new villa. Once the container arrived, our Dubai-based team handled all unloading, placement, and debris removal. Furniture was reassembled, artwork hung, and kitchenware neatly placed where the family wanted it. Rugs were rolled out, beds made, and every room was set up to feel like home from day one. The family walked into a move-in ready space without lifting a finger. His spouse later shared, "I had no idea international relocation could be this smooth. When we arrived, the furniture was set up. It felt like home within 24 hours. That's what we mean when we specialize in high-touch relocation, no matter the complexity. If you're managing government or executive relocations, SDC is ready to support your mission with speed, privacy, and precision. Get started at SDC International Shipping or call 877-339-0267 today. Let's make your next global move your easiest one yet."
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.